Hi classmates! So today's lesson, we are going to discuss how to rationalize our radicals. But before that, please don't forget to click the subscribe and hit the bell button for you to be updated on our lessons in mathematics. So let's get started! So now, let us rationalize our radicals. Now, the objective in rationalizing radicals is for us to remove the radical symbol in our denominator. Now, how are we going to do that? So, we are going to follow these steps. So, the first one is take note that your radical, it has an index of 2. The objective here, the exponent in your radical must be the same with your index for you to cancel out the radical symbol. So remember, this one has an exponent of 1. Now, for you to make this one as 2, we are going to multiply the same radical. Because take note, in our laws of exponent, when multiplying same base, we are going to add our exponent. So, that is 1 and 1. So, if you add that, that will be 2. It will now be the same. And whatever you multiply in your denominator, you also multiply in your numerator. So now, we can now proceed with our multiplication. So 2 times 3, that is square root of 6. And this one, this will be square root of 3 squared. And since this one has 2 index, since they are already the same, we can already cancel this one and cancel our exponent. So what will remain is the number 3. And therefore, our answer will be square root of 6 all over 3. So that is the answer for our example number 1. So now let's proceed with our second example. Cube root of 5 divided by cube root of 2. Notice, our radical is 2, our exponent is 1. Our index is 3. So this one should become 3 for us to remove our radical symbol. How are we going to do that? We simply multiply the same index, the same radical, but our exponent should be 2. And whatever you multiply in your denominator, you also multiply in your numerator. And if you are going to simplify this one, so if we are going to rewrite this, so that's cube root of 5 all over cube root of 2. So if you are going to multiply that one, so this is 2 squared, and we all know that 2 squared is equivalent to 4. And for you to easily remove this, just remain the cube root of 2 squared. After that, multiply. So 5 times 4, since we can multiply it already because they have the same index, that will be cube root of 20. And this one will be cube root of 2 cubed. And notice, in our denominator, they have now the same index and the same exponent. So we can now cancel this and cancel that one. So what will remain is your cube root of 20 all over 2. And notice, cube root of 20, and notice, cube root of 20 is already in its simplified form because you cannot find anything that you can extract in your 20. That is a cube root. So that is our answer for example number 2. So let's have our third example. We have 9 multiplied to square root of 2 divide square root of 3. So again, our focus is only on our denominator. So we are going to multiply just what we did earlier. Our index and our exponent must be the same. So we will multiply another square root of 3 and also square root of 3. And if you're going to multiply that, copy our 9 and 2 times 3, that is square root of 6 divided by square root of 3 squared. And again, since our index and our exponent is the same, so cancel this and cancel our exponent. What will remain is 9 square root of 6 divided by 3. And take note, our 9 and our 3 can still be divided. So if you are going to divide 9 by 3, the answer is 3. And copy square root of 6. So that is our final answer for example number 3. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to click the subscribe and hit the bell button for you to be updated on our next video. Until next time, peace!